Welcome to the slideshow. Feel the world.
Hi learners. Now we are going to know about some beautiful concepts of chemistry and starting the journey of understanding chemistry by knowing about theory of John Dalton, from where a new and amazing branch of science started. So let's start with a question that if we start dividing any metal piece or anything else, then what are we gonna get after so long? What is the building block of material around us? Answer to these questions is that everything around us is made up of atom. Atom is the smallest particles, which is like building block of matter or material. In terms of size, the atom have radius of 10 raised to power of -10 meters, which is very less, hence atom cannot be seen even under microscope. According to John Dalton's atomic theory, all matter, whether an element, a compound or a mixture, is composed of small particles called atoms. The postulates of this theory may be stated as follows. Dalton's point 1, all matter is made of very tiny particles called atoms, which participate in chemical reactions. Dalton's point 2, atoms are indivisible particles, which cannot be created or destroyed in a chemical reaction. That means there are equal number of atoms on both sides of chemical reactions after balancing. Like in this example, we are making water from oxygen and hydrogen, so number of atoms in reactant and product side are always equal. Dalton's point 3, atoms of a given element are identical in mass and chemical properties. Dalton's point 4, atoms of different elements have different masses and chemical properties. Now let's elaborate point number 3 and 4. These points says that each atom of gold is similar or same, each atom of iron is similar or same, but if we say about gold and iron, then the atoms of gold and iron are different. So we can say that elements are different kinds of atoms, or elements are different types of atoms. So we have 118 elements in our periodic table, so we can say that we have 118 types of atoms. Dalton's point 5, atoms combine in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compounds. Dalton's point 6, the relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. Point number 5 and 6 are just similar, so let's elaborate with an example. Like if we make water, then we need to combine hydrogen and oxygen into ratio 1 as shown in compound. So hydrogen and oxygen combines in ratio of small whole number, and the relative number of hydrogen and oxygen is same in all water molecules. Let's look at the two laws of chemical combination. These states some points about chemical reactions. First is law of conservation of mass. States as mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction, it can only be converted from one form to another. Like if we combine 2 grams hydrogen with 3 grams oxygen, so the mass of water we get is always be equal to 5 grams. Second law is known as law of constant proportion. This law was stated by Proust. As in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in definite proportions by mass. For example, like in water molecules, the hydrogen and oxygen are always in ratio of a definite proportion of 2:1. In our next video we will discuss about the basic definition of compounds, different types of compounds and their formula. See you in next video.
You can subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this one. We will meet again in another amazing video, so goodbye and tuned alive.